Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all, that girl looks good. Hello y'all, peace and blessings, my beautiful melanated mamas. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the #1 resource center for business startup, making money online, personal development, travel, real estate, work from home, and homeschooling. What does success mean to you? This channel will give you the resources you need to get you to the next level of your idea for yourself. I call myself the DIY queen. I guide moms to learn how to do it themselves and take control of their lives. I'm on a mission to help 1,000 melanated mamas get out of the rat race and live life on their own terms. So we are going to get right into this video. What is Master Resell Rights? Simply explained. Go to the next slide. Master Resell Rights is pretty much a business model that allows you to resell a product and grant others the right to do the same. When you buy a product with Master Resell Rights, you don't just get to resell it, you also get the right to sell the resale rights to others. This creates a multi-layered revenue system for you. Here we will be exploring what Master Resell Rights are, how they work, and why they are popular in business models for online entrepreneurs. Before diving into MRR, which is Master Resell Rights, it's helpful to understand the basics of resale rights. When you buy a product with resale rights, you can sell the product to others and keep all of the profits. However, you don't have the authority to pass on the resale rights to others. You're selling the product, but not the ability for someone else to sell it. But with Master Resell Rights, you can not only sell the product, but also sell the rights to other people, allowing them to resell the product as well. Okay, so the types of resale rights. Resale rights, you can sell, just like I said, you can sell the product but can't pass on the resale rights. With Master Resell Rights, you can resell the product and also give others the rights to resell it. And private label rights, this is the highest level of rights. You can modify the product, change the content, brand it as your own, and resell it. Okay. So, how Master Resell Rights work. When you buy a product with Master Resell Rights, you will usually receive the product itself. It could be an ebook, software, video course, etc. Or a license that grants you the right to sell the product and grant others the right to resell it as well. Let me give you an example. So say you purchase an ebook with the Master Resell Right. You can sell the ebook to customers at your chosen price. Provide them with the same rights to your customers so you could sell the ebook and keep the product. Okay. Benefits of Master Resell Rights. instant profit. Since you're not creating the profit yourself, you don't have to invest time or money into development. You buy the product and start reselling it immediately. It's low risk. There are minimum risks involved because the product has already been created. Plus, you're not paying for the development of the product, which means you don't have to worry about the costs associated with creating new products. Scalability. By selling the resale rights to others, you create a scalable business model. As your customers resell the product, you can earn a commission or a percentage from each sale that they make. Passive income. Once the product and rights are set up, you can potentially earn passive income as others continue to resell the product. So this is another thing that's possible. Common products with master resale rights. There are many types of products that are sold with master resale rights. Some of the most common include ebooks. These are often informational products that provide value in specific niche such as self-help, personal finance, or marketing. Software tools and software designed to help solve problems such as website builders or productivity apps are frequently sold with MRR. Online courses or tutorials, educational content is popular in the MRR space, especially for people who want to teach skills or offer business advice. Graphics and templates, these could include things like logo designs, social media templates, or website themes. How to make money with MRR. Making money with MRR involves a few simple steps. Okay, so number one, purchase MRR products. Start by buying products that come with master resale rights. Many of these can be found in online marketplaces or specialized MRR directories. At the end of the video, I will show y'all a product that I have with MRR that y'all will be able to sell also, that you can actually do it with no money down if you have Klarna or Afterpay. So I will show y'all that at the end. Also, number two, sell the product. You can market and sell the product to your audience. You can sell it through your website, email list, social media, or paid advertising. Number three, sell the resale rights. When you sell the product, you can also offer the option for your customers to buy the resale rights, creating another layer of income. Earn passive income. As others buy the resale rights of the product, you earn a portion of the products from their sale. Okay. So the pros and cons of master resale rights. Like any other business model, MRR comes with its benefits and its challenges. Okay, so the pros are easy to start. Since the product is already created, you don't have to worry about developing it. Multiple streams of income. By selling resale rights, you create additional income through your network of resellers. No product creation required. You can focus on marketing and sales rather than the product development. So some cons are saturation. Since the product is being resold by multiple people, it can become oversaturated in the market. This makes it harder to stand out. But of course, there are ways around that, guys. Stay tuned to my channel so that I can show you and also do one-on-ones with you to show you how you can stand out. Limited control. You don't control the product, and you're reliant on others to keep reselling it. and competition. Since anyone with the resale rights can sell the same product, you're likely to face significant competition. But just like I said, that is really nothing to worry about, because if you're consistent, and there are billions of people in this world, and just imagine if you could tap in and at least make $1,000, a month, that can, $1,000 a week or something like that, that can change somebody's life. Okay. How to become successful in MRR. Okay, to succeed with Master Resell Rights, here are a few tips. Choose quality products. Not all MRR products are created equal. Look for products that are high quality, in demand, and offer value to your audience. Differentiate yourself. To stand out from the competition, add extra value to the product you're selling. For example, you can offer bonuses, build a community around the product, or build it with other related products. Focus on marketing. Effective marketing is key to selling MRR products. Whether it's through social media, paid ads, or email marketing, make sure you are reaching the right audience. Also, build trust. Build a relationship with your customers. If they trust you, they'll be more likely to buy from you and resell the product themselves. Legal considerations. When you sell MRR products, it is important to carefully review the term and conditions of the product's license. Some MRR products may come with restrictions, such as reselling on certain platforms. Some MRR license may prohibit you from selling the product on certain marketplaces like Amazon or eBay. Also, pricing rules. You may not be allowed to sell the product below a certain price or at a discount. Always ensure that you are understanding the license term to avoid any legal issues. Okay, so in conclusion, Master Resell Rights offer an accessible way to earn money online by reselling digital products and passing on resale rights to others. It's a business model that requires minimal upfront investment and can lead to passive income. But it's important to choose quality products, effectively market them, and manage competition. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or build a full-fledged online business, MRR can be an attractive option to consider. Okay, so in the end, just like I said, click the links down below. Like, subscribe to the channel, like this video. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, Get Success with Shay on all platforms. And just like I said, click the link below. That's a MRR product that is wonderful, that helps you set up your online back business. It helps you step by step. Also, if you need to book a one-on-one call with me, I will also have those links below. Check it all out. Check out my resources below. Y'all have a blessed day and get up on this Master Resell Rights. Y'all have a good night. Peace out.